Hello, my dear students. I hope all are fine. And do you remember the homework I gave you? What was the homework, beta? I gave the homework to complete fill in the blanks from the book, page number 57, with the doing words. And I already explained about the doing words. So, dear student, what will we going to do today? Today I will explain about the lady bird. When you go to the park for playing, has anyone see a ladybird there? It is a red insect having 6 legs and some black spots on its body. So here beta, I will draw some picture of ladybird step by step. Now I will explain how you draw the picture of ladybird in your English copy. So what is our first step? In our first step, we draw a small circle and a small line between inside the circle to divide the circle into 2 half parts. And what is our second step? In our second step, we repeat our first step. We draw a circle and a line inside it, and then we draw a half circle to draw the face, and here are 2 stings. These stings help the ladybird to smell. Okay. Now the third step is we again repeat our first step, then second step, and in our third step, what are the new things? We draw here 4 small circles. These circles are called the spots. These spots are on the body of ladybird. And our last step is we again repeat our first step, then second step, then third step. In our fourth step, what are the extra things we do? We draw here 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many legs in a ladybird has? A ladybird has 6 legs. That's why I draw 6 legs on the body of ladybird. So you have to draw this picture in your English copy. I hope all of you understood it very well. And now I will explain the poem. So dear student, open your book and take lesson 9. Take lesson 9. What will you see here? Here is one small girl and she is talking to a lady bird. She is talking to a lady bird. And what she is asking? She is asking the ladybird, 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 on the tree, fly down here and sit with me. Ladybird, ladybird, on the tree, fly down here and sit with me. Rest on my hand, rest on my hand. I will count your spots. I will count your spots. 2, 4, 6, 8 polka dots. 2, 4, 6, 8 polka dots. So what is girl asking to the ladybird? बच्ची क्या बोल रही है लेडी बर्ड से कि लेडी बर्ड जो ट्री पे बैठी है कि लेडी बर्ड आप उड़ के मेरे पास आके बैठो और मेरे हैंड पे आप थोड़ा रेस्ट भी करो। और उसके बॉडी पे लेडी बर्ड के बॉडी पर क्या बना हुआ है? स्पॉट्स बने हुए हैं। इनको व्हाट आर दिस स्पॉट्स कॉल्ड? दिस स्पॉट्स आर कॉल्ड पोल्का डॉट्स। तो द गर्ल इज आस्किंग द लेडी बर्ड कि आई वॉन्ट टू काउंट योर स्पॉट्स on the body. 2, 4, 6, 8 polka dots. Okay, very nice poem it is. I hope all of you enjoy the poem. And what will the homework today? Today the homework is you have to draw the picture of ladybird by step. First step, then second step, then third step, and last is fourth step. So like this you have to draw the picture of ladybird in your English copy and write the poem. And write the poem in your English copy. I again repeat the homework. What is the homework, beta? To write the poem in your English copy, and you have to draw the picture of lady bird in your English copy with a good handwriting, and if you want you have to color it. आप इसमें कलर भी कर सकते हैं. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, beta. Thank you.